Oh, so this is the view. Amazing. It's a shame that it's raining today. It is a nice day when the view of the Alexandra Palace will be much more clearer. But today it's not clear because I picked the wrong time. It's raining. Let me see what's down there. So this is the only park. It's tiny, but it's amazing. It's very isolated, but the view is so pretty. Okay, I'll go up now. So I came from there and I can see there is a tiny pathway in here, so I will follow this pathway and see where it ends up to. Oopsie daisy, oopsie, it's so slippery. Oh, so this is where it comes up. Yes. So there are two entrances over there at the end of this pathway, and the other one is here as well. I can go up here. And then from here, either I can get the bus or I just walk down the road. Is this walking distance? So, and because it's raining, the bus takes time to wait. So I think I just go on walk. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you.